If you need to cancel a pending transfer on IPVanish, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the IPVanish website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate pending transfers. In the account settings, find the area that lists your pending transfers. This section will show any transactions that are currently in progress. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details and options related to that transfer. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transfer. You may need to provide a reason or confirm your decision before the cancellation is finalized. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to IPVanish customer support for assistance.